Okay, yesterday we have seen the matrix addition program. Now we are going to see the matrix multiplication program. Okay, first we will see what is the code for matrix multiplication. See here, okay, see here, for matrix multiplication we have taken three arrays. This array A 2 3 for matrix first, array B 3 2 for matrix second, and for storing result we have second third array, and they require three variables I, J, K. Why they requires three variables? In addition subtraction they requires two variables, but here requires three variable. What is the reason?
Rows and columns are not same.
Rows and columns are not same, but from first matrix column size and from second matrix row size is same. Then
Three different sizes.
different sizes of rows from first matrix and different sizes from a different size of column of second matrix. Okay, so before seeing code we'll see multiplication of two matrix. Suppose I have written code like this. Suppose here matrix A is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is matrix A. Here size is 2 by 3. Here matrix B is suppose 1 11 12 13 14. So this is matrix 2 by 2. Then is there any multiplication between these two matrix?
No.
Suppose I want to do multiplication A into B. Is it possible?
No. No.
It is not possible because here see here column size of first matrix is not same row size of second matrix, so it is not possible. So here suppose we have taken a variable. Suppose here I have increased one more row 15 and 16, then it is possible because here row size of second matrix and column size of first matrix should be same. So here for matrix A, we are declaring row by variable I and column by variable J. Similarly, for matrix B, declaring column by variable K, and here row is declaring with same variable J, which is now declaring column of matrix A. Now it is declaring row of matrix B. Okay. So suppose you have entered numbers and declare matrix or written the matrix forms, matrix first and matrix second, like this. This is suppose you have entered matrix first, this is entered matrix second, and suppose you want to do multiplication, then how it can be done? Multiplication कसं असेल त्यांचं? What is the procedure for the multiplication? Here I0, I1, J0, J1, J2. Similarly here J0, J1, J2, then K0, K1. Okay, यांच्यातलं मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं असेल? मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं होईल?
I0 K0
I0 K0
plus
ओके म्हणजे C of IK, okay, C of I0 K0 IK 00 plus it's okay
J1 K
J1. Okay, see here we are doing multiplication mathematically, row of first matrix and column of second matrix. So now I0 J0 and then J0 K0. Okay, see in first matrix there is no variable K. See in first matrix there is no variable K. See in second matrix there is no variable I. Suppose I want to take value of C of IK. Is it possible? Suppose I want to take a value of C of IK. Is it possible? No, it is not possible because see here I present, K absent, and here K present but I absent. So it is not possible to take any value. So for multiplication, here we are writing code for I equal to 0, I less than I less than 2, I plus plus, then opening bracket, then for K equal to 0, K less than 2, K plus plus, then suppose I want to take C of IK. It is not possible. That's why I am taking value 0. Then I am taking code here for j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus, here C of ik, result is stored in C of ik. C, resultant matrix should be this size, row of first matrix and column of second matrix. So C of ik, row of first matrix is I, row column of second matrix is k. So C of ik is equal to C of ik plus A of ij into B of jk. Then this bracket complete, these three brackets complete. Okay, we'll see the operation one by one. So here check I equal to 0, check this condition is true. Then k equal to 0, check this condition is true. So I equal to 0, k equal to 0. So C of 0, 0, initial value considered as 0. So C of ik here, C of ik, that is C of 0, 0. So which is equal to initially value of this is 0. Then I equal to 0, k equal to 0. Then check j is equal to 0. Then 0 is less than 3, check this condition and put the values. Here I am writing this equation here. So C of ik, that is C of 0, 0, which is equal to C of 0, 0 plus A of ij, value of I is 0, value of j is again 0, into B of value 0, 0, value of j is 0, value of k is equal to 0. We'll put the values here. C of 0, 0, C of 0, 0. So C of 0, 0 initially 0 plus A of 0, 0. See I0, J0, I0, J0. This is the element. I0, J0 element is 1 into B0, 0, that is J0, K0. This element B0, J0, K0. So it is 11. So we'll get 0 plus 11. So C of 0, 0, that is ik is equal to 11. So it will be stored here. It will be stored here, which is equal to now 11. Did you get? इथपर्यंत समजलंय? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then see here, after executing this increment value of j, increment value of j, so initially j is equal to 0. After incrementation it will becomes 1, and check this condition, 1 is less than 3, this becomes true. So I equal to 0, k equal to 0, and j is equal to 1. So c of ik, that is c of 0 0, here c of a of I, value of I is 0, value of j is 1, into here value of j is 1, value of k is 0. So c of 0 0, c of 0 0, previous value is 11. So 11 plus a of 0 1, a of 0 1, that is value of I is 0, value of j is 1. Now this number, that is 2. So here a of 0 1 is 2, into b of 0 1, b of 1 0, b of 1 0, that is j is equal to 1 and k equal to 0, that is 13. So here (13). So 11 plus 26, you will get 37. So c of 0 0 is equal to now 37. Did you get? समजलं इथपर्यंत? इथपर्यंत समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again increment value of j. Initial value of j is 1. After incrementation it will becomes 2. Check this condition, 2 is less than 3. Yes, 2 is less than 3. So I equal to 0, k equal to 0, and j is equal to 2. So put the values in this equation. Now in this statement, c of 0 0, that is ik, plus c of a ij, value of I is 0, value of j is 2. Here value of j is 2, into b of jk, value of j is again here 2, value of k is 0. So here put the value of c of 0 0 is, now recent value is 37. Recent value is here 37. 37 plus a of 0 2. So a of 0, that is value of I is 0, value of 2 is, value of j is 2, that is 0 2 is 3. Here 3 into, in case of matrix B, that is 2 0, that is value of j is 2, value of k is equal to 0, that is 15. So here 15. So 37 plus 45, which is equal to 82. So put value of c of ik, that is a c of 0 0 is equal to 82. Did you get? इथपर्यंत समजलंय? हॅलो, इथपर्यंत समजलंय का? ओके. आता then increment value of again j. Initial value of j is 2. After incrementation it will becomes 3. So 3 is less than 3, this condition becomes false. So go out of loop and increment value of k. Initial value of k is 0. After incrementation, it will becomes 1. Check this condition. 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. So I equal to 0, k equal to 1. So C of I k is equal to 0. Then j is equal to 0. So here I equal to 0. Here I equal to 0, k equal to 1 and j equal to 0. So C of I k is equal to value of C of I k is equal to 0 plus A of 0, value of A of I 0, value of j is 0, A 0 0 plus value B of value of j is 0, value of k is 1. So here 0 plus well A 0 0, A 0 0 is again 1. A 0 0 is 1 into here multiplication. So into B of 0 1, B of 0, J 0, K 1, that is this number 12. So here you will get 0 plus 12, which is equal to 12. C of 0 1, value of k is here now 1. C of 0 1 is equal to 12. So I will write here C of 0 1, which is equal to 12. Then did you get इथपर्यंत समजलाय? का समजलेलं नाहीये? हॅलो,
नाही समजलं सर.
ओके, कुठली स्टेप समजलेली नाहीये का काहीच समजलेलं नाहीये? हॅलो,
ते
Sir,
मल्टिप्लिकेशन
मल्टिप्लिकेशन समजलेलं नाही. ओके, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के इज इन्क्रीज्ड इथपर्यंत समजलाय? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? हॅलो, बर, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ सी ऑफ 0 0 इज इक्वल टू 82 इथपर्यंत समजलंय? का हे पण समजलेलं नाहीये? तुम्ही रिस्पॉन्स दिला तर मला कळेल तुम्हाला कुठपर्यंत समजलंय, मला शिकवता येईल. हॅलो, तुम्ही जर नाही बोलला तर मला कसं कळणार आहे का काहीच समजलेलं नाहीये? हॅलो,
काहीच समजलं नाही सर.
हा मग सांगा ना असं काहीच समजलेलं नाही. ओके, this is first matrix A. Suppose 1 2 3 4 and A is 2 by 2 and A is denoted by variable ij. इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
येस सर.
ओके,
येस सर.
आता हे रो आहेत, रो आपण आय न दाखवतो, I0 आणि I1. देन हिअर J0 J1. ओके, सिमिलरली सेकंड मॅट्रिक्स आहे बी, त्याच्यामध्ये एलिमेंट्स आहेत 11 12 13 14. ओके, we will take 2 by 2, no problem. So B 2 by 2. So here rows are denoted by variable j and columns are denoted by variable k. So here j0, j1, then k0, k1. इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
येस सर.
ओके. आता तुम्ही एलिमेंट्स एंटर केलेले आहेत आणि तुम्हाला मॅट्रिक्स फॉर्म मध्ये पण डिस्प्ले झालेत. इथपर्यंत तुम्ही कोड लिहू शकताय. फक्त तुम्हाला मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा कोड घेतो. मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये काय करणार आहे बघा. फॉर I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, then opening bracket for k equal to 0, k less than 2, k plus plus. ओके. आता मला व्हेरिएबल दाखवायचं आहे. सी एक मॅट्रिक्स घेणार आहे मी आणि त्याच्यामध्ये इनिशियल व्हॅल्यू आय के न असणार आहे. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये मॅट्रिक्स ए चा विचार केला तर इथं के व्हेरिएबल अब्सेंट आहे. मॅट्रिक्स बी चा विचार केला तर इथं आय व्हेरिएबल अब्सेंट आहे. मग आय इक्वल टू 0. ओके. आय इक्वल टू 0 म्हटल्यानंतर either this value or this value. Okay, then k equal to 0, there is no element, then see in this matrix here k equal to 0, that is either this element or this element, but I equal to 0, there is no value, so there is no multiplication in I and k. Did you get? इथपर्यंत कळालं? and k मध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन होऊ शकते का? नाही होऊ शकत. कळालं इथपर्यंत?
येस सर.
Yes, sir.
For j equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. ओके. देन मल्टिप्लिकेशन. आता रिझल्ट कसा स्टोअर होणार आहे बघा. इथं ए सपोज मॅट्रिक्स माझा 2/3 असेल, बी मॅट्रिक्स माझा 3/5 असेल, तर माझा रिझल्टंट मॅट्रिक्सचा साईज काय असणार आहे? ही माझ्या 2/5 असणार आहे. ओके. म्हणजे इथं जर मी आय बाय जे असेल आणि इथं जर जे बाय के असेल तर रिझल्टंट माझा काय असणार आहे?
आय बाय
I
के.
by k.
आय बाय के. म्हणजे माझा रिझल्टंट मध्ये मी स्टोअर करणार आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन, म्हणजे सी ऑफ आय के. सी ऑफ आय के इज इक्वल टू. आता मी इथला एक इलेमेंट, इथला हा इलेमेंट आणि हा इलेमेंट त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार आहे. मॅथमॅटिकली जाऊया आपण. म्हणजे आपण कसं करणार आहे? इथलं 1 इंटू 11 करणार आहे. परत काय करणार आहे? एका ब्रॅकेटमध्ये प्लस. तुम्ही काय करणार आहे? परत 2 इंटू 13 करणार आहे. बरोबर आहे. 1 इंटू 11 आलेलं कुठंतरी मला स्टोअर करावं लागणार आहे आधी. बरोबर आहे. तरच मी पुढचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेऊ शकतोय. मग हे आलेलं स्टोअर करण्यासाठी इथं सी ऑफ आय के मांडलं परत एकदा. प्लस आता मी मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेणार आहे ए ऑफ आय जे. ए ऑफ आय जे इंटू बी ऑफ जे के. आणि हे ब्रॅकेट्स सगळे कंप्लीट. ओके. एवढी लाईन मांडलेली समजली का? सी ऑफ आय के इज इक्वल टू सी ऑफ आय के प्लस ए ऑफ आय जे इंटू बी ऑफ जे के. सगळं मल्टिप्लिकेशन एवढ्या ह्याच्यावर आहे चालू सध्या. आता बघूया व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आय. व्हॅल्यू ऑफ आय इज इक्वल टू 0. Here I equal to 0, j equal to 0, k equal to 0. So I 0, j 0, that is here 1. So C of I k is equal to C of I k plus A of I j into B of j k so C of value of I 0, value of k 0 plus A of 0 here again 0 into B of here 0 here 0. C of ik, here we have declared value C of ik is equal to 0. So here C of 0 0 0 plus A of 0 0 is here I 0 j 0, A of 0 0 is 1 into B of 0 0 j 0 k 0 is 11. So we have done this multiplication, addition. So C of ik, that is C of 0 0, C of ik, that is C of 0 0 is equal to 11. इथपर्यंत समजलंय? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? Have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then next, I will erase this part. Okay, C of ik is equal to 11. Now, after executing this line, after executing this statement, kernel goes to the out of this loop and increment value of j. Initially value of j is 0. After executing, it will becomes 1 and check this condition 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. Then here, see here, value of I is equal to 0. Value of I is equal to 0. Value of j is equal to 1. Value of k is equal to 0. So here again I have written this formula. C of ik, value of C of ik is right now it is 11. 11 plus A of 0 1. Value of I is 0, value of j is 1 into B of 1 0. Value of j is 1, value of k is 0. So this is 11 plus 0 1. So 0 this and 1 this. I 0 j 1 is equal to 2 into B value of 1, that is j 1 and k 0, that is 13. So 11 plus 26 you will get 37. Did you get? इथपर्यंत समजलं?
Yes.
Okay, I will erase this calculation. Okay, then after executing this statement, kernel goes, cursor goes to the this loop and increment value of j. Initial value of j is 1. After executing, it becomes 2 and check this condition 2 is greater than or 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false.
False.
So okay, so go out of loop and increment value of k. Initially value of k is 0. After incrementing it will becomes 1 and check this condition 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. So I equal to 0, k equal to 1 and then c of ik is equal to 0. Okay, then j equal to 0. J equal to 0. So see here I equal to 0, j equal to 0 and k equal to 1. So again here execute this statement c of ik is equal to c of ik, that is c of 0 1 plus a of 0 0 into b of 0 1, b of 0 1. Okay, c of 0 0, that is c of ik, recent value is now 0. So I will write first output here, c of 0 0 is equal to 37. We have find. Okay, then c of 0 1 is equal to 0 plus a of 0 0. So I 0 j 0, I 0 j 0, this is 1. So 1 into b of 0 1, b of 0 1 0 j 0 k 1, that is 12. So here 12, so 0 plus 12 you will get 12. Did you get? इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will erase this. C of ik initial value is 12, that is a C of here 1, k value of k is 1. Okay, then after executing this statement, cursor goes to the new statement, that is out of loop, and increment value of j. Initially value of j is 0. After incrementing it will becomes 1. So 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. So here value of j is 1. I equal to 0, j equal to 1, k equal to 1. So put the values I equal to 0, k equal to 1 plus a of I equal to 0, j equal to 1 into b equal to b of 1 1. So c of 0 1, c of 0 1 we have find it is 12 plus a of 0 1, a of 0 1, I 0 j 1, that is 2 into b of 1 1, j 1 k 1, that is 14. So 12 plus 28, you will get addition of these two numbers as a 40. So after executing this whole statement, cursor goes to the new line, that is incrementing value of j. Initial value of j is 1. After incrementing, it will becomes 2, and 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false. So go out of loop and increment value of k. So initial value of k is 1. After incrementing, it becomes 2. Check this condition. 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false. So go out of loop and increment value of I. So initial value of I is 0. After incrementing, it will becomes 1. So check this condition. 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. If this condition true, then k equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. See here. I equal to 1, k equal to 0, j equal to 0, k equal to 0. Okay. Then I will erase this. Then here we have find C of second value. We have find C of 0, 1 is equal to 40. Okay. So I equal to 1, j is equal to 0, k equal to 0. So C of I k, that is C of 1 0 is equal to 0. So here C of 1 0 plus A of 1 0 plus into B of 1 0. So C of 1 0 is equal to 0 plus A of 1 0. Value of I is 1, j is equal to 0. So this is 3. So three into B of 1 0, B of 1 0, sorry, B of 0 0, j is equal to 0. So that's why here B of 0 0, B of 0 0 here 11. So 0 plus 33, we will get 33. Did you get इथपर्यंत समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
हॅलो. ओके, आता तुम्ही रोटेट करू शकताय. सगळं का सगळं सोडवावं लागणार आहे तुम्हाला? सगळं सोडून द्यावं लागेल. हॅलो, रोटेट करून बघू शकताय का सगळं सोडून द्यावं लागेल? काहीतरी सांगा मला, कारण मला शिकवायला तर बरं, नाही तर म्हणजे पुढचं पार्ट तर घ्यायला बरं. हॅलो, का
सर
समजलेलं
सगळं
नाही?
सांगा.
मग असं काहीतरी सांगा ना. रिस्पॉन्स नाहीच दिल्यानंतर कसं कळणार मला? ओके, विल गेट 33. देन increment value of j. Initial value of j is 0. After incrementing, it will become 1. So 1 is less than 2. Then here value of j is 1, value of I is 1, value of k is equal to 0. So So C of 0 1 0, C of 1 0, here 1 0, C of 1 0 plus A of 1 1, A of 1 1 into B of 1 0. Okay, C of 1 0 is equal to 33 plus A of 1 1. Here A of 1 1 is equal to 4. 4 into B of 1 0. B of 1 0, that is J
13.
is equal to 1, that is 13. So 33 plus here 52, we'll get 685. So C of 1 0 is equal to 85. I will put here C of 1 0 is equal to 85. Then increment value of J. After incrementing, it will becomes 2. 2 is less than 2. This becomes fall. Increment value of K. It becomes 2. Check here again. Initial value of K is equal to 0.
0
0. So after incrementing, it will becomes 1.
1.
So here 1 is less than 2. So C of ik is equal to 0. So see here value of I equal to 1. Value of I equal to 1. Value of j is equal to 0. Value of k is equal to 1. So C of 1 1 is equal to 0. So C of ik, C of ik, that is C of 1 1 plus A of 1, j is equal to 0 into B 0, then into B of 0 1, 0 1, that is 12. Here 12. Here 12. So you will get 0 plus 36. Here A of C of 1 1. Here C of 1 1 is equal to 12, 37. Then increment value of J. After incrementing, it will becomes 1. So check this condition. 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. So put the value of here C of 1 1. Here C 1 1 plus A 1 1 into B 1 1. So C of 1 1 is equal to 37 plus A of 1 1, that is 4, into B of 1 1 is equal to 14. So 37 plus 56, you will get 93. You'll get 93. I will put here C of 1 1, you'll get 93. So increment value of J. After incrementing, it will becomes 2. So 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false. Go out of loop. Increment value of K. Initial value of K is equal to 1. After incrementation, it will becomes 2. Check this condition. 2 is less than 2. This becomes false. So go out of loop. Increment value of I. Initial value of I is 1. After incrementation, it will becomes 2. So check this condition. 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false. Go out of loop. That is, stop your code. Okay. So you will get C of this output, C of 0 0. You will get this output. C of 0 0 is equal to 37. C of 0 1 is equal to 40. C of 1 0 is equal to 85, and C of 1 1 is equal to 93. And then you should have to write in matrix format. We'll see the programming code. Okay. See, this is the programming code. So matrix A is 2 by 3, matrix B is 3 by 2, C 2 by 2, and I, J, K variables. Enter variable, enter the elements for first matrix. So for I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. For J is equal to 0, J less than 2, D, J plus plus. Scanf percentage D, A of IJ. Similarly, enter elements for second matrix. Then display the first matrix. Okay, your code for display the second matrix. Then here code is written for matrix multiplication. See here, I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, K equal to 0, K less than 2, K plus plus. C of Ik is equal to 0. For J equal to 0, J less than 3, J plus plus. Then C of Ik is equal to C of Ik plus A of Ij into B of Jk. So then result is stored in this format. So I want to display result in matrix multiplication format. So I have written this code for matrix form. So I will execute this code. Enter elements for first matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This elements for first matrix. For second matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is display of first matrix, display of second matrix, and multiplication of this matrix. Okay, see this code carefully.
Sir,
Hello. Hello. Hello.
पहिल्यापासूनचा.
सुरुवातीपासून कोड बघायचंय का?
हा सर.
हा ठीक आहे, चेक करा. ओके. काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. हॅलो. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
Okay, then see below. Okay, we stop here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
stop
sir.
here.
Hello.